2024 Game of Thrones House of the Dragon Season 1 2-box random serial. Super random. Random serial number 52. It's so random. Let's hold on. Ready? Let's randomize the numbers, okay? Okay. We randomized the numbers. They're still the same. I don't understand. It's supposed to be random serial. Why is it not random? What's going on? It's a Percy. Tennis is almost full. WWE is almost full. One of those breaks is likely to be next. The 2021 stuff is not far away, guys. Those breaks are awesome. They don't have as many PMGs as the 2024 stuff, but that's because they didn't used to. They're highly desirable. Put the wrappers over there for now. What was the total for the first half? Probably went under. It was probably 23 and a half, wasn't it? I'm guessing it was 23 and a half. Dude, the 2021 is really good. We should definitely do at least a couple breaks of those tonight. I don't think we've hit a super rare... Oh, it did go over. Wow. I don't think we've hit a super rare PMG out of the 2021 stuff yet. We're kind of due. We haven't... I don't think we've hit a green yet. We've only hit reds and blues. Mostly reds. Look at these wrappers. Look how good I am at this. These are all empty wrappers. Ha. I have to open them and keep them as close as I can to looking like they have never been opened, so I can. Because they rip so easily, this foil. I don't know how to explain it, but that's like more than any other product I've ever opened on any channel ever. these particular packs, they just like melt. They just shard off and melt and everything, so you have to be like extra delicate when you're opening them, because we save them so we can get free cards for you guys. We haven't done it yet, but we got to give them away. We have like a box of all these packs of the empty wrappers. It's cray cray music. Cray cray. Look at this. All these bad boys right there. This right here is 48 wrappers. That's 48 packs. This in my hands right here. That's 48 packs. 48 packs right there. Empty wrappers get you free cards that are exclusive to the wrapper redemption thingamajig, and we're just like collecting every wrapper that we get from all of the packs, and then we're gonna get as many of the cards as we can, and we're just gonna give them to you guys for free. It's easier to do it this way than to like send all of you guys like a small number of wrappers, because then most of you guys are never going to use those wrappers and it would go to waste. So we'd rather just do all the work ourselves and then get you guys all the free stuff and then just give it away. Yeah, we should have music. They're like cards in the set that you can't get unless you do the empty pack redemption like we're doing. We just do this. Yeah, they do. You can look it up online. I think it's called Rittenhouse Rewards. Google it. Rittenhouse Rewards. I've looked at the website myself. It's like 300 points a card or something. I'm not sure how many points you get per wrapper, but it's called Rittenhouse Rewards. All right, good luck, music, Scruther. We have the Dragonite. I don't need to look at the back of the numbers for once. Beautiful. I love these. Dragonites they're awesome. Now that you've received these cards in the mail, you've felt them yourself, so you can see what I mean. Viserys Targaryen. Gold foil of the Princess. Amelie. The egg. Do they ever show you like an actual dragon egg? Like, they probably do. Like birthing. There's a horse. Oh! Look at you. Look at you. A dual auto. I'm not sure I've hit a dual auto yet out of this. Amelie. A spot in Spidey for your brother? You got it. Just let me know when you send the 43. I'll take a spot out for him right now. That's a nice one, dude. Very crispy, too. Really good quality on the autos. I'll send it to Dale. We'll finish opening it for now. Nice one. That's a nice one. King of the Narrow Sea. House Rivals. Dragonstone. Lord Jason Lannister on the relic piece. This should be a dusty pile. It's supposed to be a dusty pile. Hold on, did I see a red foil? No. This should be a dusty pile with maybe like 1 or 2 hits in it. That's usually how they do it. If you know, you know. Base card timber. Amelie. Excuse me. I like your chances. Nice. Queen Allison Hightower. Beautiful relic piece there on the green threads. So that was your hit in that box. Let's do this box. Let's go over here. Let's go over here. I think the auto's in the other pile, so. Had to make sure I didn't see any red foil there. There's red foil. Lord Jason Lannister to 50. 6 of 50 on Lord Jason Lannister. On the red foil. I can't help myself. It's just too much fun. Can we hit Lord Beesbury? I want to hit Lord Beesbury. Where's Beesbury? We want the bee's knees. Ooh, that's a nice one. Look at that. Great threads by the princess. Rhaenyra Targaryen, although I don't really feel like that plastic is too big. Can I give her a smaller outfit? And then it makes more sense. There we go. Rhaenyra Targaryen. Go on the relic piece there. Nice one. Good 2-box for sure. Let me top load these hits. Hold on a second. Okay, we continue. Wow, you get 2 nice autos. Olivia Cook on the short print auto. I assume you want this one to go to cheat code as well. Also looking pretty crispy. Minus the chrome dust that we're allergic to. Olivia Cook. So you got a dual auto and a short print auto, which is absolutely tremendous. King of the Narrow Sea, a dupe on the old school art. Otto Hightower and Sir Addison Hightower on that insert. House of the Dragon, my favorite one. There's Sir Lyman Lees, Lord Lyman Beesbury. Massaria, she's a cutie. Gold foil of Sir Otto Hightower. Nice, the throne in front of the checklist card. That's poetic. The throne. Music's brother's sitting on the throne right now in this break. That's for sure. He is the ruler of the castle. He is the captain. He is the captain. Your captain, my captain. Hightower on the house rival card. Dragonstone. Another dupe. Wow, that'll never happen again. And then Lady Allison Hightower on the final thread. So you get some really nice threads in this break. Some really colorful threads you'll see in the recap. Really beautiful stuff. And some good quality ink too. Okay, here's the recap. That was a really good break. You got 2 gold foils, 2 silver foils. It's a really good break. What's up, Mr. B? CB in the house. Really nice break. Really nice break. 2 boxes, random serial 52 for Music's brother, 2024 Game of Thrones, House of the Dragon, Season 1. Thank you for joining. That was a very solid 2 boxes. Very happy for Mr. Music's brother. Thank you.